The Car Cave presents the 2026 Audi S8, a pinnacle of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology in the premium sedan segment. The exterior of the S8 commands attention with its bold single-frame grille, sporty bumper design, and striking LED digital matrix headlights. The sleek, aerodynamic body lines flow seamlessly into a sophisticated rear end featuring OLED taillights and quad exhaust outlets. Audi offers new wheel designs, along with an expanded palette of metallic and matte finishes, allowing for a tailored aesthetic that matches the personality of discerning buyers. Inside the 2026 S8, luxury reaches new heights with an opulent cabin crafted from the finest materials. Diamond-stitched Valcona leather upholstery is complemented by carbon fiber or wood inlays, while new customizable ambient lighting options enhance the interior's elegance. The spacious rear seats offer first-class comfort, including massaging functions, individual climate control, and entertainment screens. Audi's updated MMI touch response system integrates seamlessly into the dual-display setup, ensuring that drivers and passengers have easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Under the hood, the S8 features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing an impressive 563 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S8 delivers breathtaking acceleration, going from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds. The predictive active suspension system ensures a balance of comfort and performance, adapting to road conditions in real time to provide a smooth yet dynamic driving experience. The 2026 S8 also boasts an array of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise assist, active lane departure warning, and intersection assist. The inclusion of a 360-degree camera system and remote parking assist makes maneuvering the vehicle effortless, even in tight urban spaces. Night vision assist with animal and pedestrian detection adds another layer of safety for nighttime drives. These features, combined with Audi's Car2X communication system, showcase the S8's commitment to intelligent, connected driving. In terms of in-car technology, the S8 sets a benchmark with its Bang & Olufsen premium 3D sound system, providing an immersive audio experience. The head-up display now supports augmented reality, projecting navigation and other critical information directly onto the windshield. Audi Connect ensures seamless connectivity with over-the-air updates, allowing drivers to enjoy the latest features without visiting a dealership. The My Audi app further enhances convenience, offering remote control of vehicle functions like climate preconditioning and vehicle status monitoring. With its blend of unmatched luxury, exhilarating performance, and forward-thinking technology, the 2026 Audi S8 stands as a true flagship sedan. Stay tuned to the Car Cave for more updates and insights into the latest automotive masterpieces.